I think they're finally used to it in our place.
Wolverine cosplay. I'm Batman.
Thank you very much. Scared the crap out of me.
All right. For all 5 of you who are watching this, this is going to be the in-depth video of the 64 Thunderbird that I've been promising since the carport fell on it back in November. It's gotten a new paint job since then, a $10,000 paint job. So at this point, it's looking like a show car, and it's running pretty darn good too. We're going to run the engine in this video at the end. But yeah, Shan Chan and I just got done washing it down. We didn't bring any polish, unfortunately. We should have brought some polish because there's some smears and stuff that we can't get out. But other than that, it's looking pretty darn good. So we're going to do a quick run around to the outside. This probably isn't going to show up on video, but if you look really close at the paint, it's like sparkly. I mean, it is. They did an amazing job with the paint. I mean, this is a cool looking car at this point. And it's also probably 90% restored. The doors still don't lock on it. And we've got some vinyl painting under the steering column that needs to be done. But I'll point those out as we go along. I've always been in love with this nose. That's what made me fall in love with the car in the first place, is this super sexy nose. Just want to give a quick shout out to Frank. We got stalled on the side of the road because the car ran out of gas. Apparently the gauge doesn't work either, because it said we had a quarter of a tank, and the car just died. So that's probably another thing that needs to be fixed. And I'm not sure the speedometer works either. So just a couple of little odds and ends here and there. Shan Chan's working on cleaning the interior right now, because this car has been sitting for basically the last 6 months. Thank you.
That's beautiful.
64.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, we just got it all nice and clean.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It ran for the first time today in about 8 months.
Really?
Oh, pretty happy.
Oh, yeah, it should be. That's gorgeous.
Thank you. Yeah, people are giving us compliments left and right on this car at this point. But yeah, it's a darn sexy car. This tail light here was not working, and we got that fixed. The entire housing on the inside was busted, so we had to replace that. But yeah, pretty easy stuff. And my friend Lyle replaced the door panels here. So the door panels are all brand spanking new and look fabulous. We also changed out the motors for the automatic windows, so those work like they're supposed to. Oh, and I got these. The official T-Bird wheels are about $200 each. Not for the 4 of them, but each. And I got these nice spoked hubcaps off of Amazon for 90 bucks. And they look great. No regrets there. So yeah, I think that's about it for the outside. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior. So one other thing about the interior is this door doesn't quite close all the way. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. And that is due to the fact that the people I got to fix the weather stripping here put the wrong kind on it. So it doesn't, the door shuts very, very snugly. Too snugly. So that's what keeps it from closing all the way. Looks like we got a screw coming out right here.
There we go.
Need to get that back in there.
Oh, it doesn't open anymore?
The two driver's seats, we have completely redone the upholstery on the two driver's seats. I opted not to do vinyl because that gets really, really hot in the summer. So I did cloth for both of them, and I got both of them done for about $270. So I thought that was a great deal. This center console here also got replaced because if you remember in my original video from 2020, this thing was all ripped up and nasty looking. So that's been replaced. And here's the steering column I was talking about. As you can see, the back of it is still red. That needs to be painted black to match the rest of the car.
That's in the inside of the mirror. That's not on top of it, honey.
Oh, great. So nothing we can do about it then.
Nope.
Well, that stinks.
Yeah, that's because the this type of mirror is oh gosh, now I'm blanking. Shoot. It's I can't remember. I'm on video and I don't remember. Sorry.
Okay. Well,
but
yeah, if you look closely at this rear view mirror, it looks like somebody put a sticker or something on it.
nope, it's not. It's the
That's
inside.
That's what it looks like.
Yes, but it's
yeah,
the
that's
inside.
not coming off of there apparently.
It's the disintegration of the metal of the mirror, because it's not. It's like a polished metal rather than what mirrors are now.
Yeah. So that might need to
Honey,
be
you
replaced.
have protective coating still on your seatbelts.
Okay.
You want those off?
I don't care. The dash has been completely redone. If you recall from my original video, there was a huge crack
Those aren't coming off. Those
down
are
the
sticking.
middle of the dash. And Lyle pulled that whole dash out and put a new one in. So that is completely spotless. Let's see from right over here. And we also put a new radio in it. It may look stock, but it isn't. It's actually got
USB right here.
Yep, there's a USB right there for, you can plug a thumb drive into that and listen to any kind of music that you want. And when you turn this on here, it's actually got a digital display right here, which is pretty cool. And that was about $350. But I wanted to keep it looking stock. That was important to me.
Blue tape?
That's cool. Down here, the gas pedal has been completely replaced because the old one was busted. So we got a new one of those put in. Oh, and these floor mats are also brand new. I got them from the Bird's Nest in West Lynn, Oregon. And they didn't have any black ones. I waited years and years and years. No black ones came in, so I got these navy blue ones.
You can't tell they're not
And
black.
you can't really tell the difference. Also, the carpeting has been completely redone. I believe I ordered this carpeting also from Bird's Nest. And it was about $300.
Does the horn work?
And Lyle put that in for me. And it looks fantastic. The entire inside of the car pretty much looks brand new, which is awesome.
Well, once I dust it off.
Back seats, Lyle pulled those out and used vinyl paint to paint them black. I didn't see any point in replacing them because they were in immaculate condition.
Yeah. Oh,
So we just pulled them out and repainted them. Same thing with this back section. That got repainted black to match the car. Except for this part right here, which Lyle left red, which I actually thought was kind of cool looking. And this liner on the inside here has also been replaced. And as I recall, that was pretty expensive. I don't remember exactly what I paid for that.
Wasn't those the guys that screwed up the
Uh-huh. But yeah, the liner on the inside of this car was all ripped and nasty and falling apart if you've seen my original video. So that has also been completely redone. Let's see, what else? I think for the interior, that's it. So let's go ahead and
you need to go to the vacuum place at the car wash.
we'll go ahead and pop the hood so you can see what we've done to the engine. Alright, so here's a look underneath the hood. Obviously the battery had to be replaced, the carburetor had to be cleaned out. The carburetor is still stock, and for those interested, this is the 390 engine. And then of course the entire underside of the hood here has been repainted as well. And the engine bay has been repainted. Also, Lyle repainted the engine down here. So this is all Lyle's work here. And it looks mighty purty. And of course it needed a few new belts and some things like that. Most of these hoses are also new because the hoses were busting out. In fact, the one hose that Lyle forgot to replace broke on me. That was this one right here, and spewed coolant all over the inside of the engine bay. So that was bloody marvelous. But really, really easy fix. And the fuel pump, which I can't show you because it's underneath the car right here. The housing for that was stripped, and so the fuel pump fell out. One of the many problems that we had, and so that has been rebolted into place. But yeah, pretty nice looking engine at this point. Just going to do a quick run around here. And then I'm going to have Shan Chan hold the camera here, and we'll fire it up for you so you can see how it sounds.
You wanted me to close up of the engine?
Yeah, just shoot just a shot of the engine.
Okay.
Just the engine bay.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Boy howdy, that engine sure does sound good. It's the best the engine has sounded since I bought this thing. The key was that the cylinders were firing out of order. I talked to my father-in-law Scott, and he had mentioned that most Fords and Chevys, the spark plugs are either connected to the distributor in a counterclockwise or clockwise position. This one was neither of those. The order didn't seem to make any sense to me at all, but once we looked in the manual and saw what the order was supposed to be for 64 T-Birds, I unplugged and replugged in a bunch of them. 3 of them were in the wrong spot, and when that happened, boy, this thing fired up like nobody's business. And it is running really, really good. This is the first time that Shan Chan has actually ridden in the car. And we ran out of gas, so still not exactly a perfect trip, but yeah, it was, I think today was like the first day that I actually enjoyed being around this car. It's caused me so much heartache and misery and pain and suffering and endless amounts of money. At this point, I have about $25,000 tied up in this car, and that's what we're going to be selling it for. Shan Chan and I just can't afford to keep it, and it's broken my heart so many times that it's just hard for me to want to drive it at this point. So this may be the last video I shoot of this car. If it is, it's been quite the adventure, and an adventure that I wouldn't care to repeat. But I'm hoping that maybe now that it's done, and that it's all shiny and pretty much a brand new car, that maybe it will bring somebody else some joy. So anyway, that's where I'm going to wrap it up. If you're interested in buying the car, you can contact me on our Facebook page at Captain Westicle, and I'll get in touch with you. Or I'm probably going to post it on maybe Marketplace as well. So anyway, that is not how I wanted this journey to end, but life's been full of broken dreams lately, and this is just one of them. Anyway, if you want to support the channel, you can check us out on our Patreon page at patreon.com/CaptainWesticle, or our Facebook page as well. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.